Good morning and Jai Hind to all. Saraswati Sisipun Jivakvala Borsas English Medium Standard 3rd Subject EVS. And today we are going to learn chapter number 19, Our Friends. Students, we all are at our home and you are enjoying your day with your friends. You are also playing some games. Today we are going to learn here some friends which we are keeping with us, like animals, birds, okay, your favorite birds or animals. In this chapter we will learn some animals and some birds which we are keeping with us as a friend. So we will start it. In the first paragraph you can see one picture. It is a picture of sparrow. It gets injured with fan. This story is starting from one classroom. The children in the class were startled on hearing the sound tuck. The sound came from the ceiling fan. Kalyani shouted, "Look, look, a bird is hurt." Peter got up at once and picked up the bird. It was in pain. All children are in the class and they hear one sound tuck, and it was one sparrow. In this paragraph, the children in the class were startled on the hearing the sound tuck. Startled means what? Startled means struck down. They get shocked. What is this? What will be there? They shocked. And the sound comes from the ceiling fan because the sparrow get injured with the fan and it falls down. And the Kalyani show it was a sparrow and it gets injured. It was in pain. Suddenly the Peter stand up and they go for taking some water. Navjot and Harbhajan quickly brought water in bowl. Peter lovingly patted the bird. They had the bowl to the bird's beak. They held the bowl to the bird's beak. It drank a little water and slowly started flapping its wings. Navjot and Harbhajan bring some water for that bird. They poured some water on them. The bird drank some water and they starting flapping their wings. They get some rest. Slowly, that bird tried to flying and at once it will fly. Within a few times, that bird was fly away. The children in the class were startled on the hearing the sound tuck. The sound comes from the ceiling fan. Kalyani shouted, "Look, look, a bird is hurt." Peter got up at once and picked up the bird. It was in pain. The children were in the class and they listened one sound. It is of bird, and it is that sparrow was injured with fan. They fall down in the class. The children show it. Peter keeps them in their hands. Navjot and Harbhajan bring some water for it. They poured some water on the bird. The bird drank out of them some water and they get some rest. Afterwards, they show the bird was trying to fly. They flapped their wings and after some time the bird was flew away. Next day, the children saw a bird sailing above them in their classroom. The children tried to find out whether it was the same bird that was heard the previous day. They quickly switched off the fan and started to clap. The next morning when they come in the class, they show one bird. It was a sparrow. And they think whether it is the bird which yesterday got injured or a new bird. They switch off their fan and they started clapping because they want to remove the bird from the class. If it will remain in the class, then it will be get injured with the fan. So they all children are doing clapping to remove the ball out of class. Sequence are given. Here some sentences are given. It is not in sequence. We have to arrange in sequence wise according to our video. Okay. Here some sentences are given. It is not in correct order. We have to give them correct order. Okay. So first sentence is the bird flew away. Second, the bird hurt itself with fan. Third one, Peter lovingly patted the bird. Fourth one, the children show a bird circling in the classroom. Fifth one, Navjot and Harbhajan quickly brought water in bowl. Here that sentence are not in sequence, but we have to give the correct number of sequence. So what will come in first? Yes. First, the bird hurt itself with the fan. That will come first. So I am writing here one number. The bird hurt itself with the fan. Second one is that Peter lovingly patted the bird. Peter lovingly patted the bird. Third one, Navjot and Harbhajan quickly brought water in bowl. Navjot and Harbhajan quickly brought water in bowl. Fourth one, the bird flew away. Fourth sentence is the bird flew away. And in the next day, the children show a bird circling in the classroom. So it will come fifth. The children show a bird circling in the classroom. So again, let me see the sequence. The bird hurt itself with the fan. Peter lovingly patted the bird. Third one, Navjot and Harbhajan quickly brought water in the bowl. Fourth one, the bird flew away. And at last, again, next day, the children show a bird circling in the classroom. Okay, so it is the correct sequence. Now let's see ahead. Next, Sankar's cat. In next paragraph, we have to learn Sankar's cat. Shankar was very happy a cat had given birth to 4 kittens in the courtyard of his house. He started spending his free time with them. One morning, Shankar was woke up by the cat's cry. He ran towards the courtyard. He showed that the cat was crying and cuddling its 3 kittens. One of the kittens was missing. He went outside and found Malini feeding a kitten. Shankar called Malini into his courtyard. Malini saw the cat crying for her kitten. It is a story of one cat. Shankar was very happy because he had one cat, and that cat has given birth to 4 kittens. They have 4 kittens. And one day when Shankar woke up in the morning, the cat was crying and it was cuddling with their 3 kittens. Cat's 1 kitten is missing, and due to that, cat is crying. Shankar woke up in the morning and he saw the cat has only 3 kittens and 1 kitten is missing. He quickly go in the courtyard and he saw there was only 3 kittens and the cat is cuddling with them, and 1 kitten was missing. He called the Malini because Malini is playing with 1 kitten. Shankar called the Malini because 1 kitten is taken by Malini and she is playing with that kitten. When Shankar called the Malini, she come and she put their 1 kitten because the cat was crying for their missing 1 kitten. So here one question will be there. So here one question is there. What do you think Malini would have done? Here what you can think, what do you think Malini would have done? What she had done? Okay. So our answer will be there. Malini would have taken the kitten away. Malini would have taken the kitten away. So let's I am writing here answer. Malini would have taken the kitten away. Okay, we can say Malini would have taken the kitten away. That she had done. Second number, how does a cat sound? Now when we are learning the story of cat, So we should know how does a cat sound. The cat sound is meow. So that's I am writing. A cat sound is meow. How does a cat sound? A cat sound is meow. Now next question, which animal do you like and why? You are keeping different kinds of pet animals like a rabbit, uh, rabbit, peacock, cat, dog. Okay, why are you keeping such kind of animals? That answer you have to write yourself. Suppose I am keeping dog, so I can write I like dog. Then why? Because it protects our house. It guards our house. So you have to write whichever animals you like and why you like it. That answer you have to write yourself. Okay? Okay students, so here we are ending our video. We will learn more about our friends in next video also. Okay? Till that you have to watch video and get answer of the questions from the video. Okay? Thank you and have a nice day. We will meet in next video.